Alright, so first things first, as you can see, we have our filament loaded into our canvas here. If you want to go over to the screen here, we're going to configure a couple settings real fast. As you can see, I just loaded in this red filament, so it's not fully calibrated yet. So we're going to go over here to our spools. Everything else seems to be in the correct position except the red filament. We're going to go and hit the first spool, and we're just going to hit edit. And it is still PLA, that's what we're using. We're just gonna go ahead and change the color here to red, and we're just gonna hit confirm. Now everything seems to be loaded on our Centauri carbon perfectly. There we go, money shot. Everything is synced up and linked properly. And that is the first step to our tutorial. Now we're gonna go ahead and head over to the Elegoo slicer, and we're gonna go configure our settings there. Okay everyone, now that we have Elegoo Slicer open, what we're going to do is import our, basically our test file to run our canvas on, to run the multicolor. So what we're going to do is, I have this file in the description. You can go ahead and download it if you want, or you can look on MakerWorld or any other printing website that you find your STLs. Just search up AMS test prints and you should find a file like this or similar to this. So what we're going to do is hit the plus button over here to add filament, and according to your 3D printer and how you have your canvas set up, you should so basically you have the spool numbers. So basically you want to sync each spool number to every to line up with the spools on your printer. So to do that, what you want to do is after you have the spools, go ahead into the colors. So our first spool color is red. Don't worry, this might change the color of the STL file, but we'll deal with that later. So we're going to go ahead and hit on number 2. And our second spool is actually white. Try to find it. There we go. Doesn't have to be perfect. Our third spool is purple. So like that. And our fourth spool is cyan, kind of like that. All right, now once you have all your spools lined up and synchronized with your canvas spools, what we're going to do is click on our object and hit N, or you could go over here and click on the paint tool. So since it's a solid red, what we're going to do is we don't have to worry about the red filament anymore. We're going to go ahead and on the second filament, and we are going to fill it, and I'm just going to increase this, and basically it's going to make a square just like that. All right, and we're going to go over here and hit purple, and we're going to do the same thing. Purple is right there, and our cyan blue just like that. Now we're just going to go ahead and close out of this. We're going to hit preview, and it'll give us the duration in each filament usage. We're going to go ahead and hit print. And that's basically it, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure all your PLAs are synced as well down here. Adjust anything if you need to before you hit print on your printer. And that is it, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Good luck and happy printing. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit like and please subscribe. It helps me out. All right, have a nice day.